Number one, it says, what is the distance from 3, 5 to 7, 6? Well, if we know our distance formula, we know it's the square root of the change in your x's squared plus the change in your y value squared. We get that because on a graph, you have the 0.35 over 3 up 5, let's say, is right here. And you're trying to go over here to 7, 6. You're trying to find that length. Well, what you're doing is you're creating a right triangle. And you'll notice this distance, which 3 to 7 is 4, that's simply the change in your x values. The height, which went from 5 to 6, that's the change in your y values. So we're going to take this difference of our x's and square it. Change of our x's, well, it's 3 and 7. The difference between 3 and 7 is 4, so that's going to be 4 squared, plus the difference of our y's, well, it went from 5 to 6. Difference from 6 to 5 is 1 squared. And then we take the square root of it because the Pythagorean theorem states this leg squared plus that leg squared equals the hypotenuse c squared. And that's where it all comes from. So we have 16 plus 1. Exact answer, square root of 17. We'll use our calculator to give an approximation. So that's about 4.1 is the distance from 3, 5 to 7, 6.